everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, as you can see, naka-aura po ako ngayon. So, pag-begin na. And for today's video, you're going to see this kind of makeup look. This is what I called yellow summery makeup look or yellow makeup tutorial, whatsoever. So, I hope you guys will like this video. And if you want to know how I achieve this kind of look, please keep on watching.
So let's first use this Miniso Fresh Cactus Hydrating Spray. This is to keep our face refreshing, hydrating, and moisturizing. Next, for the foundation, I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Paris Infallible Total Cover in the shade Natural Beige. Then, to blend everything out, I'm just gonna wet this beauty blender to blend everything out evenly. For the concealer, it's the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand. I just forgot it to show you guys, so I'm sorry. Then to set my face, I'm just gonna use Johnson's Baby Powder. Then, before maglagay ng eyeshadow, nilalagyan ko muna yung eyelids ko ng concealer para mas kumapit at maging pigmented yung color ng eyeshadow. The eyeshadow palette that I'm using here is not a branded one kasi I use it for a school purposes only, and I don't know where I bought it and what price it is, but it's just a cheap one. And I'm just putting the orange one over the top of the yellow one. Next is I'm going to highlight my inner corner and that thingy under my eyebrows and the top of my eyelids. Next is to dust off the powder na nilagay natin and i-blend na rin natin all over our face. Next is I'm also using the same colors na nilagay ko sa eyelids ko doon naman sa dyan sa may baba ng eyelids ko. The yellow one sa may parang corner, inner corner, and the orange one is sa may outer. So for this liquid eyeliner, this black liquid eyeliner is from Fashion 21. Next is this Careline Best Brow Liner. This is the Maybelline New York, the Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara, and this is to volumize our lashes. So now I'm doing my eyebrows, and until now hindi pa rin ako marunong magkilay, so please bear with me guys. And I'm using this Careline Best Brow Liner, Better Than Basic. And next, this eyeshadow palette is from Idol Classic. Ginagamit ko lang to as a contour kasi wala pa akong pang contour ngayon. And this blush on is from Caroline Oil Control and in the shade Tomato. And nag-highlight lang ito dito sa my cheekbones, sa my chin, nose bridge, cupid's bow, and everything. So this Maybelline New York Super Stay Matte Ink in the shade Fighter.
So, there you go guys. Natapos na tayo sa ating makeup tutorial. And ito po yung kinalabasan. As you can see. Wait. And I hope you guys like this. And if you do, please do give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below kung ano yung gusto nyong ipagawa sa akin sa next video ko. And please don't forget to share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys. I love you.